Today we are going to cook Southwest chicken, and I'm going to showcase that in 3 different ways. First, we're going to put the 4 chicken breasts into the crock pot. We're going to add half of a cup of chicken stock and 1 jar of salsa. You can put that at high heat for 4 hours. After 4 hours, go ahead and shred that chicken. The first meal that I'm showcasing is just a frozen protein blend that you can easily throw into the microwave and in a few minutes have a great side dish. And this would be like a great protein bowl option. The next recipe is Southwest chicken quesadillas. First, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium heat. I like to take some refried beans and spread that onto the tortilla shell. I'm going to add some of the shredded chicken and shredded cheese, and then I'm going to put the other tortilla on top. We can also take this Southwest chicken and make a salad. You can add some tomato, pepper, cheese, and I would suggest using a Southwest ranch dressing to finish it off.